Come on, hold the bag. What are you? What are you doing? Would you go over there and look at the other side over there and see what that is up there on the... They work on an old house.